This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 65 of Building Your Own Ford GT. Let's have a look through the magazine before we do the stuff with dangerous hot water and things. The Ford Mondeo, again, another car that you see on the roads. I don't know that I necessarily recognise a Mondeo, it's just the basic sort of Ford car design shape. Nothing wrong with it, but nothing terribly bright with it either. Never had one. But yeah, so the right rear tyre we have, I have it in water as we speak to soften it up so we can pop it over the bit that we did last time. I did get the right way round. Look, it's got that nice shaping bit with that bit on the outside to go in there. So yeah, the instructions were a little bit misleading on that. Happy I've got it that way round. So let's bring the water back and we'll get the tyre fitted. And here we are with the bit from last time. I couldn't get that squished any tighter together than that, but I'm sure it's going to be fine. We have the tyre, which has been in this just off of boiling water for a few minutes. That should be soft enough now to go over there. What I will do is try and get rid of the water from inside it. And indeed, soak up some more of it there. Rid of the hot water pot. So we'll get rid of anything gathered on the inside. Now the tyre obviously has a correct orientation. Easy enough to tell on this because it's got printing on one side and not on the other. So this side has got to be on the outside, which is that side. So it goes on there like so. So very, very wide tyre this. It does suggest putting it through like that, and that seems to work for me. So we'll get it in halfway and then do a little bit of twiddle. That pops over both sides, and that should be able to work our way round there. It sort of feels like it's almost there and then just sort of slipping back a little bit, but I think that's down to me rather than anything else. One side on. Don't worry about the other. Or maybe I should do a bit of one side and then a bit of the other. That might be easier. There we go. So there we have it. Make sure that is sitting on the rim correctly before it cools down too much and becomes less pliable. So this is where it's going to attach to the car. So we've obviously got that to go on the front, and the hubcap bit will stick magnetically onto the screw that holds it all together. So there we have it. That's it. Another issue done. 2 more issues to go in this delivery. But one of them is very, very quick. The next one is a little bit more involved, so it's going to take a little bit longer. So I shall see you very soon for that. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.